Why did my Chime Spot Me limit go down? Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about something that's probably got a lot of you scratching your heads. Why did your Chime Spot Me limit suddenly take a dive? I know, it's frustrating, right? You were cruising along, thinking you had a little financial cushion, and then BAM. Your Spot Me limit is suddenly smaller than a gnat's eyebrow. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Let's break it down. Spot Me is basically Chime's fancy way of saying they'll cover your back if you overdraw your account. It's like a little financial safety net. But, as with most good things in life, there are rules. And sometimes, those rules can feel a bit unclear. So let's clear the air. Why the sudden drop? There are a few main reasons your Spot Me limit might have taken a nosedive. Direct deposit drama, this is the big one. Chime loves to see those direct deposits rolling in. It's like showing off your shiny new paycheck to a proud parent. If your direct deposits have been inconsistent or suddenly dropped below $200, your Spot Me limit is going to feel the pinch. It's like saying, hey Chime, I'm not as reliable as I used to be. Spot Me boosts and bonuses, these are like temporary superpowers for your Spot Me limit. But remember, all good things must come to an end. If you've been enjoying a boosted limit, once that boost or bonus expires, you will revert back to your regular limit. It's like waking up from a really good dream. Chime's mysterious algorithm, let's face it, Chime has a secret sauce when it comes to determining your Spot Me limit. They look at your account activity, spending habits, and other factors to decide how much they trust you with. It's like a complex math problem that even the smartest calculator would struggle with. How to boost your Spot Me limit. Okay, so your Spot Me limit is feeling a little deflated. Let's talk about how to pump it back up. Direct deposit consistency, the golden rule. Get those direct deposits rolling in consistently. It's like building trust with Chime. The more reliable you are, the more they'll trust you with a higher limit. Spot Me boosts and bonuses, keep an eye out for those promotions. It's like finding extra cash in your coat pocket. Good account behavior, pay attention to your spending habits. Avoid overdrafts and bounced checks. It's like being a responsible adult. Chime likes responsible adults. Patience, building a strong Spot Me limit takes time. It's like growing a bonsai tree. You need to nurture it and be patient. What to do if your Spot Me limit is still low? If you've done everything you can and your Spot Me limit is still stubbornly low, don't panic. There are other ways to manage your money. Budgeting, get serious about budgeting. It's like putting your finances on a diet. Figure out where your money is going and cut back on unnecessary spending. Saving, start building an emergency fund. It's like having a safety net for your safety net. Even small amounts can make a difference. Explore other options, there are other financial tools out there. Look into prepaid cards or small loans if you need a short-term solution. Now, I know this might feel like a lot of information to digest. But understanding why your Spot Me limit went down and what you can do about it is the first step to taking control of your finances. Remember, it's not about blaming Chime, it's about understanding the system and working with it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Stay financially savvy, my friends.